Hi guys, my baby will be turning 9 years old this April, and I was just inspired to create the number 9 using balloons for him as he celebrates his 9th birthday. I am so excited. I can't believe that my baby is 9 years old, guys. I'm so excited, and of course I decided to start celebrating his birthday early, even though he will be turning 9 years old on the 23rd of April. So I initially wanted to create a balloon mosaic bird. This one came to my mind and I was like, why not give it a try? I hope this inspires you, and if it does, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share the video. If it is your first time watching me, you are very welcome. Please subscribe and you'll not be disappointed. Alright guys, so let us get straight into the video. As you can see, I start off by inflating my balloons. Here I was just inflating and eyeballing without sizing them, but I'll advise that if you want to achieve this design, make sure that you size your balloons using balloon sizers or something that will enable your balloons to come out the same sizes. Okay, it is very important for your balloons to be the same sizes if you are not going for an organic look. So I just inflate my balloons, I press them down to shape them, make them round, and then I look at them and size them with my eyes. But I'll advise that you go with a balloon sizer. I didn't have the time to do that, so I decided to just eyeball it since I'm used to the balloons. They're all not the same sizes, but they are close to the same sizes. So if you can do something that is close, that is also very helpful. But if you are not sure that you can do it like that, please use a balloon sizer, and that is going to be helpful. All right, so once I inflate my balloons, I put them in pairs and making sure that they are close to the same sizes. Of course, I already said that, and I put them in pairs. Once I'm done inflating them, I will go ahead to build my number 9. Now that we are done inflating all our balloons, we are going to start building our number 9. And here I'm using 260 balloons to build my number 9. And you can also use a fishing line, a ribbon, or any string that can help you, build your balloons together. I'm not using a stand or a base. I'm not using anything like that. I'm just going to hang it on the wall. That is the reason why I'm not using a base or a stand. So once I attach my balloons to my first pair of balloons, I'm going to start adding them and working my way up. And as I add the balloons, I press them down and I wrap it with my 260 balloon, or if you are using a string or a ribbon, do the same thing and it is going to work as well. So as I build my balloons, if you look closely, you'll see that they are close to each other. They are not exactly the same sizes, but they are close to each other, okay? Because it is not an organic look, but I had to size my balloons like I said earlier. I didn't have that time, so I decided to just eyeball it and do what I needed to do. So I'll keep working my way up until I'm done putting all my balloons in a column. So it all depends on your size, on the size of the number you are going for. There's no standard, okay? Like I always say that balloon creation or balloon decoration is all about being creative, okay? So if you're being creative, you just think about something and create it. That is what I did. I just thought about it and I got myself to create it. So there's no standard. It depends on the size that you're going for. So if you ask me how many balloons should I use, how many, I will not be able to give you the exact number because I was just building it and going as it suits me. That's what I was doing. So you can do the same. And I wanted a giant number, something that is bigger than my son. So something that is way bigger than him. So that is why I went for a bigger one. So after I've created my first column, I'm going to start building the second column. And this second one, I will bend one of them to a C to create the number 9. Another reason why I'm pressing down my balloon column while adding my pairs is so that I don't have spaces in my balloon column once it is created. So even when you're creating a balloon column, make sure that you add your balloons and press them down so that you eliminate the spaces that you will have, because you are not creating an organic balloon column where you're going to come after to add 5-inch balloons to cover all the spaces that are left on your balloon column. Alright, so once I'm done building my column, I'm going to tie my 260 balloons very well, creating a loop to make sure that it is secured and then my balloons don't fall out. Now let us create the number 9. I know I started off by holding it like a P, but that is because I do well with my right hand than the left hand. So it was easier for me to just, start off by doing it as if I was creating a P. That way it guides me. Alright guys, so as you see, I just attach it using my 260 balloons, and I'm going to attach the bottom part. I told you that you create a C, right? So that is the C. I'm connecting the C to the letter I. So just think about it like that. To create number 9, you create 2 columns where you fold one column to a C, and then the other column is like an I. So you connect C to I to create the number 9. Voila, our number 9 has been created, and dun dun dun, so beautiful guys, very lovely, very beautiful. He was very impressed, he loved it, and I'm going to add some pictures at the end of this video for you to see his excitement, and that is how I celebrate my boys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.